a todos. Bienvenidos a México.
Bienvenidos al área mexicana.
Mexicana? Oh, sorry.
A México.
Oh, Mexico. Sorry. No, we're not in Mexico, but we are standing here in Bellewaerde in front of Huracan. It's an indoor roller coaster from zero, built in 2013. So yeah, we're gonna do this coaster here. So yeah, see you when we're coming off. All right. a good ride, no? Yeah.
So nice.
Yes.
Amazing.
It's a really nice ride. And it's actually in a hidden gem actually in this park because it's got everything. It's not a big coaster or anything like that, but
Really no, this is short coaster. The ride is not too long.
no.
But have a lot of effects inside with the lights, the water.
Yeah, and a really nice
fog.
theming,
It's a really
audio,
nice
a good onboard sound.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
onboard sound. Well, from stats, it's not a big coaster, but it's a complete package of this coaster.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's a
fun.
special. It's for all the family. Deck.
Yeah, it's a family coaster.
It's a family
Yeah, it's a family coaster. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, we enjoyed it. Yeah. So please see the video in our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.